Okay, so today's first letter is the letter R. So we're going to start by going up this way, down, and around. Up, it's a nice little boxy top, and then down. Kind of a slant downward, not a curve. Slant downward, and then a curve. So trace down. So diagonal down, it's kind of a harder downward movement than what we've been doing with the other letters. Down here you've got the chance to connect it to some letters we have learned, like this word rare, a synonym for uncommon. We're going to do that R into the A. Please watch your A and make sure that you are not lifting your pen and you're going straight into it from the front. Very good. We're going to try out the word roar. Trace it first. O's are a little tricky. We'll get to them eventually, but that A, you can try to still go in from the front to do it. So R, O, A, R. The word really has an R-E-A at the beginning. We should be down with these three letters, R-E-A. And then, of course, L, L, and a loopy-loop Y. I'll really be looking at the beginning, R-E-A, tall L, loop-de-loop Y. All right, down here we have rope and raised. Again, you're good to go. Just watch out for those that are. A lot of you were having trouble before. Go from the front, around, and then up. There's your I you learned last week, S-E-D. All right, your next letter today is a T. You've done some T's in your other letters, and they're pretty simple. It's up in a straight line and down. Pick your pencil up to cross it. So up, down, pencil to cross it. Up, down, pencil to cross it. You just want a nice tall T. It looks a lot like a print T, except we're giving that beginning so that we can connect it to other letters. So you should be good on this one. When you get down to like the word T, you have T, E, A, all letters that we've done that you should be comfortable with. The word tale, as in a synonym for a story, T-A-L-E. Pick your pencil up to go back and cross your T. Table, great combination of letters here that we've done. T, A, there's that B that gave some of you trouble. Make sure you close it up. L, E, go back and cross your T. T, A, B, L, E. Okay? And then our last word down here, trotted. So give it a try, take your time, do the best you can. And then our last letter today is a U. Pretty simple letter. Looks a lot like our normal print U, except we're starting here so that we know we can connect it from wherever we're at in the word. So we're tracing it frontward and giving it a little tail. It's got a little tail in the front, little tail in the back, much like a normal print U. So U. Please make sure you're watching your lines. Don't float your letters up. Stay between the bottom line and the midline. Same thing for when we start writing it down here. Use. U-S-E. Those P's will be a little bit tricky because we haven't done them, but you can do it. Watch the video. Pause it if you need to. Upper. U-P-P-E in that R that we just did. Under, ugly, and usually. Usually is a great word for us to try. It's got a lot of letters we've done. So U, S, U, A, come around the front, L, L, Y. U, tail in the front, tail in the back. S, U, never picking up my pen. A, L, L, Y. Take your time and do the best you can. It gets better with practice, so stick with it.